Welcome back to my channel, Coding with Ravi Gupta. Today we are going to see Leetcode daily question, which is largest local values in a matrix. Just a disclaimer, if you find this video slow, switch to 1.5x. So we are provided with the n cross n matrix and we have to return n minus 2 into n minus 2. In what way? So let's see. So you will be given a n cross n matrix and you have to return n minus 2 into n minus 2 size of matrix. What you have to do now for each, excluding the whole border elements. So you don't have to traverse along these border rows and columns. So excluding these, so for each value, which is 6, 2, 2, 6 in this particular question, nearby it's a 3 cross 3 matrix is there. So for 6, we have this 3 cross 3. For 2, we have this 3 cross 3. For this 2, we have this, sorry, not this one. Uh, for this 2, we have this. And for the 6, we have this. So if you have to return the maximum value in all this. So let's see again. So for this 6, what is the maximum value in this particular 3 cross 3 uh, matrix? The maximum value is 9. So we put 9. In the next set, what is the maximum value in this 3 cross 3? It is again 9. So 9. Now going with the next. So the next contiguous after this is, matrix is 3 cross 3 is below 1. So this is, what is the maximum value? 8. This 8. Put it here. Now in this value, the maximum is 6. It can be this 6, it can be this, it can be this. Just put this. So this is how this matrix is made. Let's see the another example. So here the n cross n is 5 cross 5. N minus 2 is 3. So 3 cross 3 matrix will be made. So what is the, we have to exclude the border one. So we won't be using this. So we have to traverse only in this. Okay. So let's see. So for this one, this is the maximum value is 2, which is put here. Then in the next, again 2. So 2. Then in the next contiguous array, it is again 2. In the same way, when you will go for this one, that is again 2. Then for next, again the same 2. And this for next, then again 2. In the same way, for the uh, last, this 2 is the maximum. Then for this, 2 is maximum. And then for this array, this matrix, again 2 is maximum. So all this 3 cross 3 is matrix with size 2 is made. So how can we do this? It is very easy. You just have to traverse in the whole matrix, checking what that you don't have to traverse in the border, and you have to check for, like, if this is I, this is I plus 1. Then when I is equals to 0, you have to check for I equals to 1. When I equals to 1, you have to check for I equals to 2. Till when I equals to 3, you have to check up to I equals to 3. Well, the size is I equals to 4. So you have to traverse from 1 to n minus 1. And in the same way for j, and you have to check the border elements also. You don't have to traverse in the border, but you have to check the border also. So you have to just traverse. That's the main thing. So and just store the value, the maximum. So let's see the code. So the code you can see is uh, it n cross n. So this is the size. We made a vector of n minus 2. This is how you can redefine the size. Then this is simple traversal from I equals to 1 to I n minus 1. So this way, you can traverse from only this much portion. So from 1 to n minus 1. So you are not traversing in this border rows and columns. Same for the j. Then you have temporary value. Then you traversed from where to where. So again the same thing. You like if you make uh, so for I for k equals to I minus 1. So what we are doing now, we are checking for this value and we are traversing I minus 1 and j minus 1 also. So this means we are checking this also, and we are traversing up to I plus 1. So we are the next one also. So we are traversing only in this 4, but we are checking also the border one also. So this is how we are just comparing which is the maximum value, the current, which is temp, or the maximum. So whatever maximum value is found, it is stored in temp. After the whole traversal for this, after the traversal in 3 cross 3, just store this particular value at I minus 1, because I we are taking starting from 1, so it will be stored from uh, minus 1. So this is how thing is there. So let's run the code, and the same code I have written here. You can just see the for loops and just storing and comparing. So let's run, and we can see the test cases are passed. Let's submit, and after this we will say, oh, so the code is submitted. And 7 milliseconds, so it's okay. Let's see the time and space complexity also. So as we are using this vector space, so because of this, space is O of n square. Now for time, what we are doing? There are two for loops, n minus 2 to n minus 2. And for each n minus 1, there is a fixed size. We are traversing only for 3 cross 3. So overall, it will be 3 cross 3 and here n minus 2. So if you can see that if we are traversing uh, similar to n cross n, so it is in the range of O of n square. So time is also of n square, space is also O of n square. So this was the code. Uh, Thank you so much and subscribe my channel.